Envision a tropical or subtropical coastline, and images of sandy beaches and coral reefs likely come to mind. Yet amidst this coastal beauty lies a vital but often overlooked ecosystem is the mangrove forest. Mangrove forests, also known as mangrove swamps or mangals, thrive in coastal intertidal zones, providing essential services to both terrestrial and marine life. Recognizable by their intricate tangle of prop roots, these adaptive structures allow mangroves to withstand the ebb and flow of tides, stabilizing coastlines and offering refuge for a myriad of marine organisms. Thriving in intertidal regions, where saltwater submersion occurs during high tides, mangroves showcase remarkable adaptations. Stilt roots prop up the plant in soft, oxygen-deprived soil, while pneumatophores, which are specialized root structures, enable them to extract oxygen from the atmosphere in the oxygen-poor environments. Furthermore, mangroves exhibit a unique life cycle with seeds germinating while attached to the parent plants before dispersing through tidal waters. Found in 118 countries, mangroves play a crucial role in coastal ecosystems. The largest mangrove forest, the Sundarbans, spans 10,000 square kilometers, with 6,000 square kilometers situated in Bangladesh. Unfortunately, the accelerated disappearance of mangroves, especially in the Western Indian Ocean, poses a significant threat. However, protecting mangroves proves to be a cost-effective solution compared to building sea walls. Mangroves emerge as unsung heroes in the fight against the climate change. Not only do they sequester 5 times more carbon than the land forest, but their intricate root system also safeguard the coastlines from erosion and extreme weather events. Beyond ecological benefits, mangroves enhance food and economic security for coastal communities and will serve as critical nursery grounds for marine life. Despite their vital role, human activities such as shrimp farming, deforestation, and coastal development pose several threats to mangroves. If current rates of loss persist, all mangroves could vanish within the next century. Fortunately, ongoing initiatives focus on mangroves reforestation and restoration to counteract this alarming trend. Mangrove forests, often overshadowed by their coastal counterparts, embody a crucial link between the land and the sea. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these resilient ecosystems serve as nature's carbon vaults, playing an indispensable role in mitigating climate change and supporting the overall health for our oceans. As stewards for our coasts, it is our collective responsibility to ensure the preservation and restoration of mangrove forests for the benefit of present and future generations.